is your practice test for estimating and adding and subtracting also across zeros for operations in algebra number 4. Oh, this is actually for NBT 4. Sorry about that. All right, so I want you to go ahead and just check your work. You can pause, rewind, fast forward, whatever you need to do at some point, get that secret word. So take a look here. This is adding, so I recommend that you always circle the operation so you do the correct thing. It's your best strategy for not making that mistake. So we added everything up, and you can see the regrouping that you need to do here. To estimate, okay, which we know means round, we're rounding to the biggest place if it doesn't tell you, okay? So the 2, is it closer to 20,000 or 30,000? Because of the 1, we can see that. This 1 in the 10,000th place, is it closer to 10,000 or 20,000? Because of the 9, we can see 20,000. And so we can see that this is a reasonable answer. It's pretty close. Number 2, again, you can see that. Drum break. Estimating, rounding to the biggest place. Zoop. Rounding to the biggest place, which is now the 10,000th place. Zoop. And you can go ahead and do the subtracting. You only have to do one little bit of regrouping, or you can just think what's 30,000 less than 300,000. That would just be some mental math. Here, though, you need to show the regrouping to get the credit. You can't just have an answer. So 9 minus 3, 8 minus 2, and all of a sudden I need to regroup. So more on the floor, go next door. We're taking from this and getting 10 more. Then you can do your subtraction. 16 minus 8 is 8. 4 minus 1 is 3. Make sure you put your comma in. More on the floor, go next door. 12, 11, 10, 9, and 2. Okay, 293,000, yeah, somewhere around there. Estimating large numbers isn't really that accurate, as we know, but it is easier. All right, this one, I'm just going to do this one for you to check so that you can see the across zeros. So more on the floor, because we can't do 2 minus 7 and keep a positive number. So more on the floor, go next door. There's nothing next door, so we're going to go until we can steal something. Cross it out, 1 less, 9's in the middle, and make sure you add 10 to the end. So then we have 12 minus 7 is 5, 9 minus 3 is 6, 9 minus 5 is 4, comma, 9 minus 2 is 7, and 1. Okay, and you can see how close that is to the estimating. Same thing, rounding to the biggest place. Rounding to the biggest place, the 2 turns into a 3,000 because of the 5. Okay, and you have a little bit of mental math or regrouping there. All right, and last one here, more on the floor, go next door. There's nothing there, so we're going to box until we can steal something. That's until the 1, not all the way over. Only box until you can take or recorder break. Steal. So this is a 0, these are 9's, and add 10. Get 10 more. 10 minus 6 is 4, 9 minus 2 is 7. Notice we're doing money, so we have a decimal point, and when you write these, line up your decimals. Okay, 9 minus 8 is 1, 9 minus nothing is 9, 0, comma, 2. And it's money, so there we go. We're going to go ahead over here, estimating. Is it closer to 2,000 or 3,000? Boop, 2,000. And we're rounding to the nearest whole dollar, so $8. We're going to do our subtraction, so make sure you circle your operations. 0, and notice how I lined up the decimal places, because we're dealing with money, or decimals in general. Okay, more on the floor, go next door. We're actually going to box here to do this estimating real quick. 1 less, 9's in the middle, get 10 more. We have 2, 9, 9, 1. And put your comma. Okay, it is money, and you can see those are pretty close, so it's a good estimate. All right, your secret word. Ba-dum-dum-dum-dum. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. That's a good secret word. Let's do that. Secret word is bum, 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 bum. That's way more than a word. Oh, so Mr. Hutch told you to write ba-bum, ba-bum, bum. All right. So anyway, so that's that, and back to here. All right, this last side is a two-step problem. I can solve multi-step word problems with addition subtraction. So the farmer has this many seeds. That's our total amount that he has. Belly drum. Just a plant. He planted this in the first field and this in the second field. We know and a lot of times means this if they're asking for the total that we've planted so far. Bracket the question. How many seeds does he have left? Left means subtraction in the third field. So we want to know how much he planted so far to find out how much is left for the third field. So separate our workspace here. We're going to add our 837 plus 1,238. I usually do the big number on top, but it'll work either way with addition. 8 plus 7 is 15. Regroup. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Regroup, and 2. Okay, so that's how much we planted, and we need to label it. So first and second, or plus second. Now let's go ahead and subtract to find out how much is left. 2, 4, 2, 6, big number, minus the small number. I don't think he's going to have much left. 1 more on the floor, go next door, get 10 more. 5, 3, and nothing. Seeds left. Okay, so he has 351 seeds left for the third field. Now this duck call. This part says explain how you solve the problem, and it's as simple as this. All you do is say what you did. So notice I have a big bold first and then a then. First I added, and you literally write 837 plus 1,238 and got 2,075. Then I subtracted 2,426 minus 2,075 and got 351 left. Okay. All right. Ta-da! There you go.